welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and it's officially cold and flu season. It's cold out, the wind is blowing, your nose is getting stuffy, believe me, I get it. But don't worry, Saucy Cat has you covered with a warming and hearty tofu noodle soup. Let's get into it. Take a block of extra firm tofu and drain the excess water out. Then cut it into cubes and toss into a bowl with some soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Line it flat on a baking sheet and throw into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes until it is nice and crispy on the edges. Meanwhile, let's chop an onion into your desired soup size and grab a large pot. Set the stove to medium-high heat and drizzle in some olive oil. Once it's hot, throw in your onion along with some minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Saute until the onion starts to char a bit, then pour in some veggie broth. Bring the broth to a simmer and add thyme, parsley, oregano, and maybe a little garlic and onion powder. Add 2 or 3 bay leaves and continue to simmer for 20 minutes. Let's grab another large pot and boil some water for our noodles. All I could find at our local grocery store were regular egg noodles, but you absolutely can change those out for a vegan variety. Add the noodles to the water and boil for about 3 minutes less than the recommended time. They'll finish cooking when we add them to the broth. Let's finish off all the big work by chopping up some carrots and celery. With 20 minutes up on our broth, add the veggies and simmer for another 10 or so minutes. Both our tofu and noodles are done, so strain out the noodles and dump everything into the broth. Let everything simmer together for a final 15 minutes. Do a couple taste tests and add more seasonings if you want. Now chop up some fresh parsley and let's plate this dish. Alright, this is heavy. There's no way I'm gonna hold it in front of you guys. This has such a deep, rich flavor and it's just so warming and it's perfect to dip your cheese sandwich into. Well, that does it for today. Let me know how you stay warm in the comments section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Still recording.